ये 2 किताबें खरीदिएगा. Because problem is coming that we have a traditional theory of transaction analysis which says parent, adult, child. If I am the manager, बहुत सारी चीजों को छोटे छोटे आउटपुट दे रहा हूं. मुझे 1 घंटा मिला है, 1.5 घंटा, तो मुझे थोड़ा सा गागर में सागर भरना है, लेकिन थोड़े इनपुट्स दे रहे हैं आपको ऐसे कि जो आपके काम आए. पेरेंट, एडल्ट, चाइल्ड कहते हैं ना. फादर ने कहा बेटा ब्रिंग वाटर, चाइल्ड विल कम. यस यू आर आइडियल मैनेजर, फिर तो कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है. इफ आई एम हैविंग ग्रुप, आई एम द मैनेजर, आई हैव गॉट A + K, आई हैव गॉट M ऑल्सो, सारी चीजें बिल्कुल फिट चल रही हैं. एंड माई मैनेजमेंट सेज गिव गुड परफॉर्मेंस. सर आई नो मैनेजमेंट, आई नो ऑल थ्योरीज, आई हैव डन इट, London, Paris, whatever diplomas, degrees, but I have to crystallize into form of performance. And you find still the performance is not coming because there is something wrong. Why it is wrong? Because there the parent, adult, child theory, the child is saying नहीं पानी लाता, कर लो क्या करोगे. Rebellion child. The problem today with the manager is rebellion child. Now there are various theories how to correct a rebellion child. Punishment definitely, no. If I punish a guy, he has got K + A also, P also, M also, a highly productive man. If I fire him, how to get a new man? That another challenge before me. Hot skills management, how to manage my good people. That is the biggest task. Rather I am going to talk. It is little premature for all of you because it should be with the manager little experience of 3-4 years. But there is no harm, you people have the exposure for that also. So dealing with the rebellion child, the best way is your communication should be A to A, adult to adult. प्यास लग रही है, चलो पानी पी लेते हैं. नहीं सर आप बैठिए, मैं पानी लाता हूं. Isn't it? Earlier situation, he says नहीं लाता पानी, क्या कर लो. When I enter into a communication which is A to A, ऐसे बहुत प्यास लग रही है, गर्मी हो रही है बहुत, चलो पानी पी लेते. The answer will come, नहीं सर आप बैठिए, मैं पानी ले आता. The problem is with the HR manager or with every manager who is dealing with human resource today is, and it is a challenge for you. Tomorrow you become manager, you join a factory as a personal officer, or you join as a production manager, or you join as a finance officer. The task tomorrow will come. Nobody wants to listen. काम क्यों नहीं हुआ? No manager, general manager interested. He is only interested, काम हो गया सर. Nobody wants to listen, no. I need to have the people, sir, we have done. All positives I want in my group. If somebody comes with excuses, no manager likes. So you have to be a doer. So doer में techniques. Now the Bible is, you can note down if you have pen, pencil. The biggest task is optimum utilization of available human resource. अब देखिए मैं डिमोटिवेट कर दी थी आपको. जिस आदमी ने टाइप किया उसने मुझे 30 साल पहले पहुंचा दिया, 25 साल पहले. जनरल मैनेजर से मुझे बना दिया मैनेजर, जो मैं 85 में था, 86 में. कितना पीछे पहुंचा दिया था ना, है ना. आपका टाइपिस्ट होगा कोई. ये बहुत डिमोटिवेट करता है. अगर आपका नाम क्या है, आपका नाम माधवी है, अगर मैं इसका नाम लिख दूं माधव, तो ये पढ़ेगी ही नहीं. आई हैव एक्सपेरिमेंटेड इट. इफ आई राइट माधव, तो शी विल नॉट बी रीडिंग. हर माइंड विल बी अट्रैक्टेड टू दैट माधव and it will cry how to put I. Unless and until that I is put, she won't be on the job. Very small things. So the Bible is optimum utilization of available human resource लिखा आपने? In order to achieve organization objective, optimum utilization of available human resource in order to achieve organization objective, and to pay relative performance. This is a complete Bible. Optimum utilization of available human resource in order to achieve organization objective and to pay relating to performance. Now, how much we are doing it? What happens when I say there are 200 people here? How many people are present here? How many students are here? You can count numbers. Sorry, it is 200 people, 300 people. But as a manager, I say no, only 100. What makes me to say 100? Because mentally, all 200 are not here. It's impossible. If somebody says all the 200 are mentally present here, 100%, it is impossible. I am not here 100% mentally. So another task of a manager is how to make the people present physically and mentally. फिक्र मत करिए, आपको कोई नहीं उठा रहा है. Mental and physical presence to identify in a group. How to ensure that my people are present mentally and physically? Because you come with a bundle of problems to the office or to the workplace or to the institute. You have an argument with the rickshaw puller, or you have argument with the metro fellow, or you have the argument with some guy, or you have the argument with your mom or dad or brother or sister or friend. That encroaches your mind at least 20%. So 100 में 20 गया. मैं तो जॉब में आया हूं, मुझे तो 100% एम्प्लॉय चाहिए. I'm not concerned about his personal life. I'm not concerned about what houses he has got. It's none of my business. I need my person on the job. And you are an MBA. The expectation of the people will be hired by this man or this woman is coming from a prestigious management institute with all degree. A big question comes, why one should have an MBA? It is another very big debate goes on. Because I am management trainee of Shriram Group. I joined the private sector. So my principals were not even matriculate, Lala Shriram. You hear the name of Lady Shriram College and all. He was the founder. He was not even matriculate. And he created the group. There is no MBA, no basic qualification. So that is another lengthy topic for debate. What makes a manager? Making a manager, you need to be a good human being first. Unless and until all of you are not becoming good human being, you can't be good manager. Because that 100% employee presence can be ensured by a manager who knows the human relations. Let me tell you a very important slide which is universally applicable. ये बड़ा रो रहा है, क्या हो गया है ना? देख रहे हैं आप, ये बेचारा रो रहा है, इसके आंसू पहुंची. तो क्या हुआ कि कोई बात नहीं, ऐसे ही ठीक लगता है ना. इनके साथ भी आप मोहब्बत कीजिए, पेन से भी है ना. फिर मैं आपको लव का द्वारा बताऊंगा, मैनेजमेंट लव. सो नाउ द टास्क बिफोर यू इज टुमारो यू जॉइन द कॉर्पोरेट्स, ह्यूमन रिलेशंस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आप चाहे सॉफ्टवेयर कंपनी में जाएंगे, आई हैड बीन गोइंग टू एवरी सेक्टर इन द कंट्री एंड अब्रॉड ऑल्सो. One thing which is common, I find it, whether it is in Switzerland, whether it is in the US, whether it is in Singapore, Malaysia, it is a human relation, which is a common factor, universally applicable. तो एक चैलेंज आपके सामने परफॉर्मेंस फर्स्ट आया, देन द डेफिनेशन ऑफ ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट. आई टोल्ड यू अबाउट दैट MBO, optimum utilization. Now every word is important. Before I forget, so much I need to talk to you people. Words have got no meanings. Whatever words I am using here, the meanings are what meaning I have given to them. Words have got no meaning. We give meanings to the words. Like I tell you, चलिए कोई बात नहीं, इसको रोते को हंसा लेंगे थोड़ा. क्या होता है अगर मैंने यहां लिखा, always remember that words have no meaning, you give meanings to the words. अगर आपने किसी को कलकत्ता में कह दिया कि you are working like a donkey, he'll beat you. दिल्ली में कहिए हाँ साहब बताइए और क्या करना है, साहब ने तो मुझे बख्शीश दिया, गधे की तरह काम करा, इट मीन्स हार्ड वर्क. तो लाइक वी टेल इन द कम्युनिकेशन, words have got no meaning. In the practice also, words have got no meaning. Suppose I have written here, what I have written? God is? देखिए ये नजर नजर का फेर है. आपने कहा गॉड इज नोवेयर, नोवेयर है ना, दोनों चीजें हैं. नजर का अगर मैं इसको इधर कर दूं, इधर अगर मैंने कर दिया, ये हुआ नाउ. सेम अल्फाबेट्स आर गिविंग डिफरेंट मीनिंग. व्हाई इट इज सो? मुझे बड़ी अच्छी लगी प्रधानमंत्री की एक बात, जो पुरानी बात कहते थे ना कि आधा गिलास खाली है और आधा भरा हुआ है. नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने बड़ी अच्छी बात कही, दोनों चीजें मिला दी उन्होंने. आधे में हवा है, आधे में पानी, भरा हुआ गिलास. वही मैनेजर को करना है. अब अगर मैंने यहां लिखा, मान लीजिए क्या लिखा मैंने, kill him, not let him go. No, I am saying kill him, not let him go. देखा आपने, दोनों चीजें आ गई. किल हिम नॉट लेट हिम गो और किल हिम नॉट लेट हिम गो. किल हिम नॉट, कॉमा लगा दीजिए, फर्क हो जाएगा ना. So in the management, when you are dealing with your people, you have to be very particular, precise. One-to-one communication, you need to know the person, what motivates him, what demotivates him. If your immediate subordinate is there, you are handling a group of 50 people, you need to know where they are living, what are their immediate problems, how many children he has got, his wife is ill, why he comes late, when he wants a break. These are very important things people say, because otherwise I need to have the mental presence of a person at least 70%. But I am having 40. Generally a worker is present only 40% on the job. 30% at home, 20% in the mall. If I ask the students how much percentage you are here, tell me anybody who is more than 70% here. Anybody who is having more than 70% here. Mentally. Nobody. More than 60%. More than 60%. More than 50%. And more than 40%. मतलब सारी बाहर है. मतलब मेरे आने का तो कोई फायदा नहीं हो भाई. लिंडा जी, मेघा जी, क्या हो रहा है? ये तो ये सारे जनता ही बाहर है, कोई मेरे साथ है ही नहीं. Nobody is with me. So now it is a big task for my performance if I find the group is not even 40% with me. मतलब 60% you are out. Somebody is in PVR, somebody is at home, somebody is in the hostel तो है नहीं है, or somebody is in Singapore. This is a very alarming situation. And for that, we are the managers. We have to ensure, we have to try every day to see that the people are 70% on the job, 70% mental presence on the job. Why we are saying that? Because it is a world level study. Skills. Now suppose 3 levels of management are there: top, middle and lower management. Skills are the same. You see, a person may be becoming a chairman. What kind of skills he require? For 100% performance. Now, at chairman level, technical skills and professional skills only 5%. As a chairman of corporate, Lakshmi Mittal doesn't require the skill how the steel is made, technicalities. He is steel king. One of my friends joined as chairman there, Bathinda refinery. Airtel chairman, the Bharati Mittal doesn't require how the mobile works, the technical aspects of it. 5% is the skill requirement. However, 35% he requires managerial skill, managerial decision making. 35% at the corporate level, the higher level. In my organization, general manager and above, we come on the top management. So the skill requirement is 5% technical knowledge, 35% decision making. At middle level, I require 20 and 20. At lower level, I require 35% technical, only 5% decision making. Now you are seeing these figures. What comes in the middle of it? Human skill. Very good. What is your name? Sakshi. Sakshi has given the correct answer. 60% at all the levels we require human vision. कहाँ पढ़ा आपने ये? पढ़ा था किताब में. उसके बाद कोई केस स्टडी पढ़ी इसके बारे में? नहीं पढ़ी. मजा नहीं आएगा. I'll request your faculties also, when they go through any subjective material, you try to analyze a situation. You see, for a management study, we not only teach, we need to have acceptance from the students. I am here to have your expectance. I am here to have your disagreement. I need to start from the negative note from a person who is the receiver. You tell, no sir, I am not convinced. That is the learning point. The once it comes from my student, sir, I don't agree with it. That is a very positive sign of learning. Learning should start with a negative connotation. Sir, I don't know. I don't agree with you. Rather, I got my experience where this theory never worked. None of the theory. You see, like I told you, in Calcutta I apply a theory which can be disastrous. Same theory may do wonders in Delhi. My union leaders everywhere, the same union may be there, the same organization is there, same work culture is not there, because the people perception level, their priority level, their wavelength, their contentment level, their satisfaction level, their you see aim in life. So many words we play. Sometimes I give exercise to my students. Differentiate target, goal, motto, mission, vision. Isn't it? So many words come. Ambition. And how I react to those words? Like I told you, words have got no meaning. We give meanings to the words. So the 60% comes to human relations. 60%. That's why we are here, even as a student or as a faculty, as a manager, as a general manager, as a supervisor. You need to have the concept of 60% human relations skills. Now come back to the core issue for which your faculty, your principal director has called me, sir, what are the challenges coming before the young student to have better employment, or how to go about that. These are the basics we had been talking about. And these are the basics I look for my future managers, that they will be very clear in their mind about what kind of manager they are going to become. No one single solution is there. There is no medicine like that I take a tablet, I become a good manager. Practice makes the man perfect. Now how to get the environment of that practice? I normally get a student, I go there, sir, my percentile was 99, but unfortunately I could not crack. Sir, I was finally selected, but finally I have to land to this institute. This feeling, first of all, to remove from the mind. You have to think about, I am in the best institute of the country. You have to love the institute where you are studying. You have to first become a brand ambassador of the institute where you are studying. You have to feel first proud over an institute where you are studying. You need to accept this idea. You say, sir, why you are compelling us? Why you say, you know, sir, it is not IIM Ahmedabad. But you have to make it better than IIM Ahmedabad. Human beings are there. You have to have a feeling in your mind, not going in the past, going ahead. Because unless and until you face an interview and if you are not so energetic and if you are not having a lot of self-confidence in you, nobody is going to take you. A person who is in the interview, what if I sit various places, I require a person with a full confidence, zeal and a great amount of motivation, optimism to sell himself like a product. Lot of energies comes. Sir, I am coming from a very prestigious institute and now you have to give the definition. What's a good meaning? What is prestigious? You have to sell that idea. What is prestigious? What is the meaning of prestigious in your mind? So first and foremost, tomorrow if you are going for, at least the BBA students are there, I will strongly say the BBA student should never be mixed with the MBA student. Because a lot of places I go, when I teach management in a capsule of various institutes in the country, as a person with one subject, 30 hours. BBA students disturb my class like anything. If 60 students are before me, 20 are BBA, they say, sir, I know Kingsley 7S theory, all those things. You know, because curriculum of both the things are almost the same. But it requires a great amount of maturity to understand managerial concepts. So I take BBA as a simple graduation I want to take, not as a specialization. So I am not prepared to talk to a BBA student about placement at all. No. BBA should not think about placement. This experiment is started in the country in the early 90s. Early 90s in Jindal College, Delhi University started this BBA. And why it was started? Because they had a very great statistical figure that India has got the deficit of manager to a great extent. And MBA institutes are not being able to fulfill the requirement. So let us create managers at the graduate level. But ultimately the attempt failed. By industry never digested it. So many factors are there, not one factor is there. So many factors are there which are responsible for that. I can't blame one. Ultimately, it did a good job in the sense that people started joining BBA with the intention to join MBA later on. So that made it, like in so many curriculums, I am the academic council of few universities, so we debate on that, what kind of syllabi should be there. Our idea is to make a good manager. If we can create tomorrow 5-year MBA, we started Narsim Mujib on 5-year MBA Tech, but again we failed. Why it is happening? Because we are looking for giving a product in the market. Tomorrow companies come, no company is asking for investment now. In my days, we used to come fresher, on the job training and roughing in the organization, making as a product made for DCM or Shriram. But that philosophy has changed. Now we want a person with hand-on experience or with crystal clear ideas. So my talk, when I will talk on placement point of view, is only for the people who are in the last semester or passing out next year. I am going to release an advertisement for my junior executives for HR, architect and different streams. I represent an organization which has got 125 airports in the country, and I have got a requirement of 800 people per year for air traffic control, that is a technical job. And a large number of fields, 17 streams. What we look for, we still take a written test, because so many institutes are there in the country, so I am not keeping a balance that what is the standard of various institutes in the country. I can't depend on CAT also, and I got very different ideas about the CAT. It cannot be the sole criteria for me to select a candidate. Because when all of you must have appeared for the CAT, you know how it becomes sometimes chance, that percentile business. So I can't depend on that. I started depending on GATE for the engineers. Still I will be trying this year only for GATE. That also I am going for the marks, not the score and the rank. Now what we look for? Definitely not case of which institute a person is coming. No, I don't believe. I believe in the theory of Infosys people. They go to the villages, they go to the remotest area of the country. I was talking to Mr. Shiv Nadar, who is the pioneer Asia Technologies. A good discussion with him. He invited me in Dadri, one management institute he has opened, engineering college sort of thing. He says, I want to go to the smallest part of the country to search a talent. He himself came from a small town near Coimbatore, not a IITian. But he made IITians.